Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: can you listen to music with one earphone? And you can put one of your earbuds to the charging case or remove only one earbud from the charging case and then close the case, and you can use the second earbud. To prove it for you, we can go to the settings, Bluetooth, and right here, as you can see, we still have connection with these earbuds, but we use only one. But you cannot connect your left earbud with one device and your right earbud with another device. This earbud support multi-point connection, so you can connect 5 devices with your earbuds, and at the same time you can use only 2 devices, but you cannot use your left earbud with one device and right with the second device. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. See you later.